One of the most arduous chores included in aquarium tank maintenance is cleaning the tank glass. You do not just need to wipe the outside of the tank but also have to clean the interior side to keep the tank clear. However, the entire process does not have to be that hard, especially if you use the best aquarium magnet cleaner. An algae magnet cleaner for aquariums is essentially 2 scrub pads with magnets in them. One scrub pad goes inside the tank while the other presses on the outer side. This will allow you to clean both sides of the fish tank without submerging your arm in the water. So in this video we will discuss 5 best magnetic aquarium cleaner. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Neptunian Magnetic Aquarium Glass Algae Scrapers. I liked the interior scrubbing pad of this aquarium glass cleaner magnetic. Neptunian chose a good quality Velcro sheet to use as the scouring pad. The plastic hooks are just hard enough to scrub off the algae properly but will leave the glass itself perfectly smooth and scratch-free. The magnets holding the pads together are also quite strong. They apply just enough pressure to press the scouring pad firmly against the glass. Although the pads sometimes get disengaged when you hit a corner, you can easily put them back together by pressing the outer pad onto the glass. I also like that the outer pad has a thick felt lining. This does not only help the scrubber glide over the glass but also offers aid in wiping away dust and dirt that accumulated over the surface. This is especially true when partnered with the best aquarium glass cleaner spray. You are essentially hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. The product is also ideal if you have a big tank. This scrubber is quite wide, so it will take fewer passes to clean up a medium-sized tank, like a 20-gallon one. However, you have to consider the thickness of the glass. The thicker the glass, the weaker the attraction between the magnets. If the glass is too thick, then the 2 halves will not stick to each other. The problem that I had with this product is that the bristles are a bit too soft that they cannot do anything about the calcified algae. If it has been a while since you last cleaned your aquarium, then you may want to follow up with a scraper to get rid of the tougher dirt. Number 2. FL PPR Cleaner Float. The design of the FL PPR is really unique, but for me, it's a tie between this scraper and the Gulfstream Tropical Mag Float for first place. This scraper is best for tight corners and precise areas, like just along the substrate line. But it's too slow to use it for wide open spaces. I'd recommend getting the FL PPR and the Mag Float so you have something for precise areas and something that can quickly clear open areas. Then you can detach the outside part, turn it 180 degrees and put it right next to the inner scrubber. This will get the inside part to flip itself over so that you can use the side that has a scraping blade. You get 2 scraping blades, a metal one and a hard plastic one. The metal blade is great on glass, but it could easily gouge and scratch acrylic tanks. I feel like the FL PPR's flipping trick is an innovative design, and I like that you get a scrubbing pad on one side and scraper on the other, but I found this scraper to be precise in tight areas and way too slow to do large areas with. The scraper blade side of the FL PPR was able to easily get the soft algae off. But, you have to scrape very slowly with the scraper blade. And I mean, very, very slowly. It would take much longer to clean the entire front glass using the scraper blade. Number 3. Ketsum Magnetic Aquarium Fish Tank Cleaner. I was quite impressed at how strong the magnets that this aquarium cleaner has. There are 2 pairs of strong neodymium magnets to keep the 2 parts of the tank cleaner pressed against the sides of the tank. I have been using mine for a couple of weeks and I have yet to experience them pulling apart accidentally. Aside from the strong magnets, I also like the scrubbing pad that this tank cleaner uses. They are just like Velcro but a bit stiffer and more densely packed. This magic fiber, as the manufacturer calls it, works great at getting rid of all the dirt and algae stuck on the sides of the tank. What I do not like about this magnetic cleaner is its rounded corners, as such causes difficulty in reaching the corners of the tank. I would have preferred something with angled corners. However, this still cleaned the rest of the tank rather well, so I cannot say that it is a bad product. Number 4. Kaizen Algae Scrapers Aquarium Cleaner. This magnet fish tank cleaner is superb at cleaning all sides of the tank without the need to remove and readjust the cleaner. Its magnet is powerful enough to hold when shifting to distinct sides on your tanks. If you have this at hand, then you wouldn't have to clean tanks using toothbrushes, which could be quite laborious to do. Such cleaning device does a magnificent job at efficiently eradicating algae in the fish tank, and you don't need to have your arms and hands fully drenched. It is so stable to utilize because it is furnished with a first-rate suction absorption feature that makes the cleaning process a comfortable task to execute. Even for newbies, this is quite easy to manipulate. All you need to do is to maneuver the outside and inside part of the tank will be thoroughly cleaned. It does not produce any disturbing sound when used, so it won't stress your aquarium dwellers. Since it is distinguished at removing algae buildup, it can possibly create a safe, healthy and comfortable hub for your aquarium buddies. As you can see, this would make a better place for your fish tank pets. Number 5. Hugger Aquarium Strong Magnetic Cleaner. The things I like the most about this magnetic aquarium cleaner are the strong magnets that hold the two parts together. I have a 20-gallon tank and the magnets firmly hold the brush against the glass. Even the tough algae bloom does not stand a chance against this magnetic scrubber. Another convenient feature is that the brush part will float to the top of the water when it disconnects from the handle. I like this because I do not need to fish it out using my hands. This defeats the point of using a magnetic tank cleaner. This changes the way I clean my aquarium. Aside from the brush, this magnetic cleaner also comes with a scraper attachment, which proved useful for getting rid of the tougher bits of dirt. There is a stainless steel one and another one made of plastic. However, I would still advise against using the stainless steel blade unless really necessary. I do have a bit of a problem with the way the scraper adapter was manufactured. If you try to install the adapter, you will find that it is a tight fit. I had to carefully remove material from the adapter just to make it fit. This would have been even more remarkable if quality control was not so lax. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.